10 entry-level jobs for accounting and finance majors. Are you fascinated by money and the inner workings of accounting and financial markets? Are you someone who thinks in numbers? If so, a career in accounting and finance may be perfect for you. Familiarize yourself with the available positions. There are many more options for an accounting degree than becoming an accountant. Exploring your options will help you to secure a job that truly fits your skills and expectations, so you can be happier in your career. The best jobs in finance offer higher than average salaries for college graduates, along with the opportunity for career growth. Today we are going to talk about the best entry-level jobs for accounting and finance majors, so that you can choose something that fits your skills, interests, and backgrounds. But before we go on, like this video and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon for more videos. Number 10. Financial Analyst. Financial analysts work for investment companies, insurance companies, consulting firms, and other corporate entities. The one who is in this area is responsible for consolidating and analyzing budgets and income statement projections. They prepare reports, conduct business studies, and develop forecast models. Financial analysts research economic conditions, industry trends, and company fundamentals. They also often recommend a course of action for investments, reducing costs, and improving financial performance. It is compulsory to have IT skills along with BA in finance, accounting, or economics for an analyst role. The BLS estimated that there were about 487,800 financial analyst jobs in the American economy in 2010 and projected a faster than average growth rate of 5% through 2029 for them. As of January 2021, according to the most recent figures from the BLS, financial analysts earn a median salary of $81,590 in 2019. Number 9. Bookkeeper. Bookkeeper track and record purchases, sales, and other financial transactions for individual client organizations. Participants can prepare for these duties with coursework in QuickBooks, Microsoft Excel, and other related software programs. Bookkeepers may also handle payments for utility and phone bills, company credit cards, and other organizational expenses. Their core responsibilities are to manage financial transactions using software programs, generate monthly financial reports, and advise organizational leaders on financial decisions. Number 8. Budget Analyst. Budget analysts help public and private institutions organize their finances. They prepare budget reports and monitor institutional spending. Budget analysts develop cost estimates for potential future programs or expansions. They also make recommendations for managers, identifying areas of possible budget reductions based on analyzing past underspent budget items. Job outlook: the BLS estimated that there were 58,400 budget analyst jobs in the country and predicted an increase of about 7% by 2026, which is close to the average for all occupations. Number 7. Personal Financial Advisor. A personal financial advisor works with an individual rather than a company to establish a financial plan. This may include creating a budget, determining the best way to manage savings, and advising on investments. A financial advisor's clients are usually wealthy individuals with considerable assets or an estate that needs to be managed, but some advisors may choose to specialize in a different type of clientele. They also monitor the state of clients' investments and finances and can provide advice on insurance, mortgages, college savings, estate planning, taxes, and retirement. The majority of personal finance advisors work for themselves or as members of a firm. Their work usually consists of client meetings and time spent in the office researching, creating financial reports, or managing client investments. This can be a jack-of-all-trades finance job, which may be an exciting opportunity for the right candidate. Most personal financial advisors have a bachelor's degree or higher in finance, accounting, or a similar field. Entry-level pay starts at $44,500 and can double with time and experience in the field. Number 6. Assistant Controllers. Assistant controllers oversee their organization's accounting activities, including internal audits. They must check company account data for errors and discrepancies, along with handling budgeting and resource allocation. These roles often require a degree or college background in finance or accounting. Their core responsibilities are to verify accounts and company data, to ensure compliance with financial regulations, write budget reports, meet with chief financial officers, and other company executives. Number 5. Insurance Claims Adjusters. Insurance claims adjusters gather information about the circumstances surrounding insurance claims, including interviews with people involved in accidents, obtaining photographs, and the physical inspection of damages. This job has its worth in the finance sector. They review policies to determine the level of coverage, estimate repairs, and issue determinations concerning payments to customers. Adjusters negotiate settlements with clients, attorneys, and other insurers. Job outlook. The BLS estimates that there are 328,700 jobs for insurance adjusters, appraisers, examiners, and investigators, with a projected degree of 1% of these jobs by 2026. Given the low visibility of this option, with prospective graduates, competition for vacant positions is relatively low. According to BLS, insurance claims adjusters earned an average of $65,900 in May 2018, and it is expected to have more employees in this sector in future years. Number 4. Accounts Payable Specialist. Accounts Payable Specialists validate and process invoices for their organization. They also keep up-to-date files on account payable invoices and associated tax documentation. Candidates with an associate degree often qualify for this role because most employers require a high school diploma. Their core responsibilities are to check invoices for errors and inaccuracies, obtain tax documentation from the IRS, use Microsoft Excel and other software programs to track and record payments. Number 3. Financial Auditor. A financial auditor shares many similarities with an accountant, but there are some differences in the requirements and expectations of the two jobs in the finance sector. A financial auditor's primary concern is ensuring that a company's financial statements are compliant with generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP. As such, an auditor primarily focuses on identifying fraud or errors in a company's financial documents. In this role, an auditor may examine a company's financial statements, accounting entries, tax returns, cash flow statements, and other financial documents. The auditor may be employed by the company itself to oversee finances, or it may be brought in as an outside consultant in cases where fraud or errors are suspected. Attentiveness and a keen eye for detail will serve you well in this role. Becoming a financial auditor usually requires a bachelor's or master's degree in accounting or finance. Practical accounting experience also goes a long way towards securing a better paying position in this role. Entry-level auditors can expect to earn between $52,000 to $66,000, depending on their background. Number 2. Accountant. Many finance jobs build on accounting skills and knowledge, but that doesn't mean that there's no need for general accountants. Accountants can find work in accounting firms, on the payroll for large companies, or as independent contractors working with businesses and individuals alike. Accountants maintain financial records and generate reports regarding income, expenses, profits, losses, and tax liabilities. They advise managers about the financial implications of business decisions. Some accountants work for public accounting firms that are contracted by corporations for auditing, tax, and consulting work. Others work directly for corporate and governmental entities. Job outlook. The BLS estimated that there are about 1,397,700 accounting jobs in the U.S. economy and projected growth of 10% through 2026, faster than the national average. Number 1. Investment Banking Analyst. Investment banking is one of the most prestigious areas of the financial sector. Investment banking professionals assist individuals, corporations, venture capital firms, and even governments with their requirements related to capital. Investment banks underwrite new debt and equities for all types of corporations, aid in the sale of securities, take companies public, and facilitate merger and acquisitions, reorganizations, and broker trades for both institution and private investors. An analyst usually fills an entry-level role at an investment bank, hedge fund, or venture capital firm. The most common duties include producing deal-related materials, performing industry research, and financial analysis of corporate performance, and collecting materials for due diligence. Recommendations based on the interpretation of financial data often play a role in determining whether certain activities or deals are feasible. The average investment banking analyst starting salary was $67,817 in November 2020. The most recent figure has a January 2021, according to PayScale, a compensation analysis site. Candidates have BA in economics, finance, or management, though this is the one job where an MA in these areas helps too. So these are the 10 entry-level jobs for accounting and finance majors. Which one you want to pursue, let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you liked this video. You can also hit the subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye!